Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this tutorial, we are going to be learning how to get Coinbase tax documents. Getting your tax documents from Coinbase is essential for accurately reporting your cryptocurrency transaction and holding. So here's how you can obtain your tax documents from Coinbase using your mobile application. Launch open the Coinbase application from your app drawer. Also make sure that you're signed into your account with your credentials. Once you are in the main home page, click on the waffle menu at the top left corner. In the expanded menu, scroll all the way down and click on Taxes under Manage Account. Now select Documents from the top of the screen under Taxes. Scroll down to Tax Reports and click on Custom Reports. Select the report type to generate and select your year to date. Finally, click on Download at the bottom and you will be able to get your Coinbase tax documents. You can then download the tax documents directly to your device or have them emailed to you. That way, you will be able to obtain your tax documents from Coinbase for accurate reporting of your cryptocurrency transaction and holdings. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.